Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You. My name is Shikha Desai. I'm a software engineer by profession and I'm here to share with you my journey of how I cracked TCS Digital. So today we'll be discussing the strategies, the comprehensive steps, what I followed, the strategies that I used, and the brief new exam pattern also. So we'll be covering everything, so don't go anywhere, stick to the video till the end. And I'm sure this video will help you all crack TCS NQT with flying results. How did I crack TCS Digital? Let's get started. Let's go and first discuss about the TCS Selection Criteria. That is what different roles are there, what packages are offered for graduate as well as postgraduate. Okay, let's discuss that for now. First of all, there are three major roles which are there: Ninja, Digital and Prime. For graduate level, for Ninja it is 3.3 LPA, Digital it is 7 and Prime 9 LPA. For postgraduate it is 3.5, 7.3 and 11.5 LPA. We'll discuss about the section, number of questions and the duration. For part A and part B, there are two sections basically in the NQT examination, the foundation and the advanced section. Okay. For the foundation section, there is numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability. Each contains 20, 25 and 20 questions, and duration for each will be 25 minutes. Okay, so this is what you can see visually on the screen as well. And part B is the advanced section. Advanced aptitude and reasoning, again it consists of 14 questions and the duration is 25 minutes. Advanced coding, number of questions are 2 and duration is again 90 minutes. So in total you'll be having 190 minutes to complete your NQT test. So I hope you'll give your best in this and you all will definitely come up in flying colors. Let's discuss my 3-step strategy and then I'll discuss comprehensive strategy further. First of all, y'all need to start now by preparing thoroughly for aptitude questions. Aptitude questions includes aptitude, verbal ability and reasoning. Now, if you crack these 3 sections, only then you'll be going ahead for interview. So, right now, please focus on this section of the exam, like the aptitude, reasoning, verbal and also the coding section. These are very important to crack your exam, right? Again, once you practice all this, practicing coding related questions are very important. The level of codes depends. You have to start with basics in order to know the advanced level codes, right? So start with the basics and then we can move on to the advanced level of codes. And once you get selected, obviously we will be preparing for the interview. How I prepared for during my examination is very clear. Basically, if a student or a candidate is really serious about cracking, then I think they should go ahead and purchase a course which will give them all the study materials which are required for this examination at one place. When I was preparing, I had subscribed to the Online Study for You course, NQT crash course, basically, where I studied all my aptitude, reasoning questions, verbal ability questions from there. I'd also studied various coding related questions for them, which helped me a lot in clearing NQT, and which is why I also got selected for the digital round, right? So now let's go and we can see from where I had prepared. So as you all can see, on the website of Online Study for You, we can see the crash course on TCS NQT in 2024. That's the new pattern and they include live classes. So it includes aptitude, numerical ability, reasoning, mathematical ability, TCS aptitude and reasoning mock tests. Mock tests are very important. Verbal ability, programming videos. Now go through all, there are about 411 videos. Imagine if you'll try and go through all of these videos, I am sure there won't be any stone unturned for the basics at least. So please go through these. It will help you a lot because I'm not just saying for the sake of, I'm saying because it has really helped me in my studies. So definitely go through all of this. It comes at a cost of $9.99 and if you all want, you all can subscribe and enroll yourselves in this live classes. Going back, so that is one. Hours distribution, what I used, my strategy, as you all can see, the 2 hours distribution. Basically, I saw to it that I give 6 hours for the preparation of codes, aptitude, reasoning, everything. 2 hours daily I gave for aptitude, 2 hours for verbal ability / reasoning. 1 day verbal, 1 day reasoning. And I practiced aptitude daily because I was a little weak at aptitude. So aptitude, verbal, reasoning, and 2 hours regularly I dedicated for coding related questions. I have to prepare one from online study for you platforms. I have to prepare from Geeks for Geeks, Lead Code, tutorials points, and various free resources are available from which you can practice codes as well. Now, let us discuss about as TCS NQT, the comprehensive strategy of what you guys need to prepare. I think the exams are quite close now. What you need to properly listen and jot down. First, all the important and repeated topics is what you'll have to focus on at this stage. Okay. Reasoning will help you in scoring. So, if you are not, many of us are actually weak in aptitude and they are very good in reasoning and verbal ability, right? I was one of them. Reasoning helps a lot in scoring. So focus on reasoning and verbal ability a little more than aptitude. Aptitude important topics are, as I've listed down, a few of them, which include simplifications, percentages, data interpretation, quadratic equations, statistics. All of these are very scoring. Reasoning topics, figure-based problems, seating arrangement is very important. It will be asked. Coding, decoding will be asked. So all these are very important questions which are regularly asked in the exams. So follow my 2 to 2 hour strategy. Give minimum of 3 to 6 hours if you all are serious aspirants. If you all are not, then definitely you all don't need to prepare much. But if you are really serious and really want to crack TCS NQT, get that prime or digital package, then I would suggest you that you must enroll in some small course which can guarantee your study materials and disciplined and organized way of studying, and definitely dedicate hours for studying if you're actually serious. The important coding questions involve array coding questions like write a program to find the second largest, third largest number in an array, similar types of questions, string coding questions, number series coding questions, conversions, sorting algorithms, binary search algorithms. So all of these are very important types of codes that you all must practice before answering TCS NQT. So yes guys, that is how actually I prepared for my TCS Digital examination and ended up cracking it and got an offer to work with TCS Digital for 7 LPA plus package. Now, if you are really serious about cracking this exam, if you are really have the passion that you all want to work in TCS, then I don't think TCS will be hiring anytime soon after this. So this is like the golden opportunity that all of you all need to seize and make the best use of it. So I think you'll have some few days remaining. Don't waste those days. Spend each and every hour wisely. The 2 hour strategy that I followed, try using it. Practice 2 hours of coding, 2 hours of aptitude, 2 hours of reasoning, and definitely you all will see results in your NQT, and I'm sure it is going to help you all a lot. In case you all have any difficulties, don't forget to comment down in the comment section below, and I'm sure I'll help you out with any difficulties that you'll have. Also, if you want more videos like this, comment down again and like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching guys. All the best.